Lauren Elder, and I'm a Broadway performer. I live in New York City. I've been in the Broadway revival of Hair and the Broadway revival of Sideshow, and I'm so happy to be here.
I'm James Russian. We are the team that Florian brought to Sweden. I grew up playing in a lot of bands and sort of fell into the musical theater scene after years of doing it off and on. I got done touring with a couple of bands, and then I just fell in love with musical theater and started writing more musicals and wound up moving to New York because of a musical I wrote. It's been an absolutely wild ride. I can't believe I'm in Sweden right now doing this. Never in my wildest dreams.
It's been a magic, beautiful, loving weekend.
It's been great for me, it's been great for everyone that's here.
An incredible experience. I have learned so much from the coaches, and it has just been absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to come to the next workshop.